What's up, guys? It's your boy Mousy. I'll be showing you guys how to do an easy wire repair using one of these right here. All you need is a heat source. I'm using a power probe, but you can also use like a heat gun or something like that. And also just some wire strippers. This is the kit I use for my wire repairs. Comes with a bunch of different sizes. It's all color coded, and I bought this on Amazon for maybe about 10 to 15 bucks, somewhere around there. But I've used these professionally and just for my side stuff on my personal vehicles, and have not had an issue with that at all. Okay, so first we're going to start off by stripping both ends of the wire that you'll be connecting together using wire strippers. Then we're going to place the solder seal over one side of the wire, and now we can twist these wires together to create a strong connection. Now we can slide the solder seal over the open ends of the wires and line up the solder right in the middle of the twisted wires. Now we can get our heat source turned on. I typically heat up both ends of the heat shrink till they are shrunk tightly around the wires, then hit the solder last. This would definitely be a lot faster with the heat gun, but this is what I gotta work with for now. Now we can just place our heat source and focus it on that solder in the middle. If you look closely, you pretty much watch that solder melt into the wires themselves, creating a nice strong connection. What I like about these clear heat shrinks is that you can totally see what's going on the inside, and kind of be able to tell, how well your solder is melted into those wires. Just nice visually. And that's it. Nice, clean, strong connection. If you learned something new or looking to learn more, hit that subscribe button.
Wow, it's very nice.
And that's pretty much it, guys. Pretty simple, easy wire repair. I've used it a lot, so haven't had any issues, no comebacks professionally from wire repairs like this. Just a little strength test. Strong wire. I don't have a multimeter on me, so I can't really test the continuity of this right now, but I'd say that's good to go. Mousy out.